guys? So we're back at the Whiskey Blendery. I probably feels like we never leave. We just opened up, or my bad.
Gosh,
well, actually, Tim allowed me to open it. I gotta be honest. I set it down.
You felt them out, and you picked this one.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you're gonna want some of this bottled up. This one is awesome. This is incredible.
You know, I gotta be honest. I think I told you this when you got the Kentucky ones. I was there. So part of my journey is living vicariously through him. And I'm more intrigued by the business, but when I was able to retry some of the ones we did the other video on, because I don't understand hype about like liquor or anything. I'm getting there. But I said, holy shit, this is good. No wonder they're spending $200-300 on these bottles.
Yep.
Because it is completely opposite of anything I've ever had and owned or tried. So I'm like, fuck.
Well,
I'm gonna fuck around, spend $200-300 on one of these bottles just to make sure I got it, man.
Yeah, this is one of the most unique barrels that we've gotten in, and it has so many components of all the best of the ones that we liked, and it's for it to be this fruity and bright, and the finish to last, and the viscosity for 16 years old to be this bright and fruity is like.
And this is 122. The proof is 122.
The proof is 122. Yeah.
And when I tell you, it doesn't taste like 122.
You want to go inside and have Andy try this? I want to see what his reaction is on this.
You guys missed Richards, but you can watch the Instagram Whiskey Blendery, the Whiskey Blendery on IG. Go ahead, man. I gotta say this. No, bro. Look, this is the point.
Yeah, hopefully I can.
And if not Sunday, we'll just.
You got time to try something?
Here, Chris.
I pushed it towards you.
Try it, man.
I just want to see what you.
I'm here to make sure I don't miss the sound. I can't back up. Andy act like he don't be sitting this close to me sometimes.
Just tell me if it's a drain pour.
People.
Tell you if what?
It's a drain pour.
That's just the cowboy song.
I don't think it's a drain pour. It tastes like.
Chris, you gonna try this?
Oh yeah.
It tastes like a weeded turkey.
So he picked out that barrel, so we just opened up one of the new ones.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Man, it's like really, really sweet for from what I remember from those.
Yeah, that is really sweet.
Who picked it out?
Trevor.
Oh, cool.
Proof on it's 122, so 122 drinking that soft is nuts.
So I thought it was almost a cross between the wild Kentucky strawberries and one of the older dusty ones.
Yeah, it has the dusty turkey funk to it. I don't get strawberry, but it has that like powdered cherry.
I get a ton of fruit.
Powdered cherry, red fruit, like Smartie type of vibe to me.
This was one, as soon as he popped the bung, like I could smell strawberry just by standing next to it.
I don't think this has the same characteristics as the Kentucky Cream Saver and the wild Kentucky strawberries.
It doesn't.
But it's definitely red fruit forward, funky turkey type of vibe.
And the finish on that just lasts forever.
But it's very sweet up front.
Especially for 122, no burn.
Oh man, it's changing now. I was like, how is he not picking up strawberries?
It's not. No,
it's evolving now.
It's the powdered cherry Smartie red.
No, it's gone now.
It's totally different now.
Yeah, that's what I just smelled it too. So I go, oh.
And the finish goes forever, and it has your mouth kind of right out, tingling. And
Richard got goosebumps and timed a 3-minute finish. No, he literally got goosebumps. We've got to record it. It's been documented, brother.
Oh my gosh, man,
it's nice.
That's a top 5 barrel.
Coming soon to a Whiskey Blendery bottle near you.
Wow.
Guaranteed to last less than 5 seconds on it.
5 seconds is all you got. One, but it ain't done. Oh man, that's magic.
Golly.
I'm smelling the wrong thing. I'm so.
Yeah.
Trevor's going like this.
I'm smelling the mic, and I'm like this. Oh, whose breath is hot? No,
I need to have like a blur.
Dude, that is crazy.
Like a mute and a blur for me sometimes. Not at all.
no.
Not at all.
We need your candor, man. That is good.
Man, it is totally morphed.
I don't. The thing to me about that's kind of diabolical and kind of wild is I don't like. I tried that barrel 4 weeks ago, and I don't.
This was the first one we tried.
Oh no way! Okay.
This is the first one we tried, and then we're like, "Oh, today's gonna be a good day."
Yeah, because I don't recall.
I don't remember it being
it's
this
almost,
good.
I was just gonna say it's almost like it's evolved like in a good way.
Oh yeah.
Like it's evolved to where it's gotten even better than it was when we tried it. So that's obviously a good problem to have.
Absolutely. And it's got high yield, so it's like 366 pounds.
Yeah, some of those we were just rolling those barrels off the truck,
that much.
and it took some elbow grease and some muscle, man, because there were some heavy ones.
Wow.
But there was also some really light that were rolling off that we could just throw them.
Golly.
But yeah,
That thing
if
is-
that was like a strawberry bomb. When you open it, it evolved in the glass, like all of these are doing. I mean, they're in a way like it's almost like a chameleon for whiskey. Like they evolve and they change, and that's what makes them so cool. Man, yeah.
Well, people say
That's a great
we're gonna
barrel.
crack one more and call it a day, but